Hi, this is War, and welcome back. In this video, I will explain what is a computer network. Last time we talked about computer, what is a computer. We talked also about input and output devices. Today, we are going to find out how two or three computers connect to one another or devices. So a network is when you have two devices communicate to share information. We call them they are connect as a network, computers or devices. As you can see here, what is a computer network? Two or more devices linked together. So the goal for this is to share information or data. So how we connect? We can use wire when you connect, take a cable from your laptop and connect to the device or router, or you can connect wirelessly. So let's see, go back to this. If I'm connecting this tablet to this modem or router wirelessly, that's wireless. If I'm taking a cable from this uh, laptop and connect to this router, we connect wired. So there's a two uh, option to connect to the network. So we have what we call uh, a local area network. So it's a one space, one location like your home that's considered to be a local area network. And then we have wide uh, area network. This is internet. It can be a continent, it can be one nation or one country, but there's a different type of network also, like a personal network, to what you use in Bluetooth. That's a different a lot of network. But for this video, just let's say we have wide network and we have uh, a local area network, just for this video. So uh, I'm going also, what devices help you to connect or those devices connect a network together. So at home, uh, you find those combined to one device: router, switch, and access point. Access point is a device that give you a wireless. If you're at workplace, you're going to see one device is hanging uh, in outside the building or inside the building. This is what we call access point. It gives you a wireless. So what happen? Your device connect to this access point, and then this access point you connect to switch, and then they talk to one another. It give you a wireless connection. Modem, this is one convert uh, the signal from your computer and then send it to your network provider. Router, this is one, it take IP addresses and take your data through wide area network. We will talk about those devices and I will show you how they look like, but you see them in your house, what we call router. But those are devices combined in one device at home. But at workplace, there are three or five different devices. So how this data go through when you send your email, for example, how does go? We have something we call routing. Routing is taking your information and send it to where you want to send it. It can be locally, as we talk about the local area network, or can be wide area network from different location or remote location. So we call that package. It's the one data take from you, from your system. And then IP addresses we use is a numbers, and I'm going to show you on the next video. It's a number unique we sign for devices to be able to communicate outside. It look like your home address. For to be send you a mail, they have to know your address, and so this is how we use. And we use also a MAC address for the local communication. Protocol is a way how device communicate, and that's a different topic we can talk. It's not just simple like that, but just let's say this is a way how we communicate or devices travel the data on the network. So here, that's what I was talking. IP address, we use it to send or receive information outside your local area network. The MAC address or media access control, this one, is each device is on a network, or each device like your phone have a MAC address. This is a unique numbers identify your device from. That's how communicate. Let's say you want to call me. If you don't know my number, there's no way you can call me. The same thing with the computer devices. If they didn't know the MAC address, they cannot talk together to one another if they don't know IP addresses. The DNS, domain name system, this is one translate the number, like what you see here, into the IP address. IP addresses be like numbers 0 and 1 because computer doesn't understand like the readable, like what you see here on the screen, because it doesn't read human writing. It read the numbers 0 and 1. The bandwidth is like a capacity how the data go through. More you have a bandwidth, more the data look like a highway. So more you have a lot of land, more a lot of cars can fit in, and that's the whole idea. But that's a different concept we talk about. So thank you. For next video, I'll let you know. Thanks.